Hi, everyone. We're going to take a look at different kinds of rhythmic notes and talk about how to read them and talk about how to play them on our recorder. So at the top here, we have a whole note, and one whole note equals 4 beats. And we would clap it out using the Takadimi system, going ta. If I was going to play that on a recorder, I would tongue on the first note and then I would just hold it out for 4 beats. So if I was going to play it on a G, it would sound like this. All right, next we have our half note. Half notes are worth 2 beats, and 2 half notes add up to 4 beats. If we look at our pyramid over here, everything is adding up to 4 beats. And we would read this ta, ta. And we would play it on a recorder like this. We would play on where the tas are, and then we would just hold out the note where the ahs are. So, all right, here's where we start with most of our things using quarter notes. Here we see that we have 4 quarter notes. Each quarter note is worth 1 beat by itself. So it adds up to 4 beats. And we would read it ta, 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 ta. So I would be tonguing on my recorder on every single beat. So to clap it using Takadimi, we would go ta, 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 ta. On my recorder, here I go. Now we have our eighth notes. They're connected by 1 stem. Each eighth note by itself is worth 1/2, and when we combine them together, they equal 1, right? So all these halves together, 1/2, 1/2, that's 1 beat, 1/2, 1/2, another beat, and so on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats, just like all of them are adding up to 4 beats, right? And we would read it toddy, 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 toddy. And it would be 4 beats. And to play it on my recorder, it would sound like this. And now we have our 16th notes. Notice that these look a little different than the 8th notes because they have an extra beam on there, right? That connects them together. This one for the 8th note only has 1, and for the 16th note, it has 2. And each 16th note by itself is worth 1/4 of a beat. But when I take 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, kind of like money, if I gave you 4 quarters, like 1/4, that would add up to $1 in money. And so here it's worth 1 beat. So again, we have 16 16th notes adding up to 4 beats long. And we would use, in the Takadimi system, it is the Takadimis, right? Takadimi, 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 Takadimi. Let's hear it on our recorder. I'm going to have my tongue touch the tip of that recorder quite a bit to get all of those different notes in. All right, I hope this helped.